Hello. Because Monday is actually my birthday.
No, that's not, but I will.
McDonald's chocolate! Live jumping!
I'm 27. What I should have achieved by that age. Who cares? We told them. They delivered. Good morning everyone, I hope you can hear me because the road is super loud. It's Saturday morning, I'm on my way to a viewing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling great. I really didn't sleep well, but also something happened yesterday with my job that really bummed me out and made me so doubtful of my abilities. So I'm really trying to work on that. I've journaled for a long time yesterday at night just to make sure that I was letting it out. But yeah. Hello. Hi. How you doing? Hi. Hi. So I am at my parents' now. I just turned off the AC because my dad was amazing and bought AC for every room upstairs because it gets so hot in the summer, and that's amazing because we are experiencing a heat wave this week, which has been very difficult. And so I'm so happy to have this because I'm so like sick of being sweaty all the time. I'm at my parents for the weekend until Monday because Monday is actually my birthday, so I wanted to be with my family, and my dad's birthday is on Thursday, so we're kind of celebrating it together, which is going to be great. And there's a pool, so that's good. And my parents told me that like a couple they've been friends with for, I think I was like 12 or 13 when they met. They're coming for dinner tonight, so I'm very excited because they've just had their third child. He's still a newborn, and I'm so excited to have all the baby cuddles. That should be a very nice weekend, very chill. Now I'm just gonna rest for a little bit. My sister is off work in an hour and a half or something, so I'm just gonna sleep maybe, and then we'll see what we'll do. Oh. Ça me rappelle les vieux Agatha Christie qu'on lisait. Je l'ai acheté sur lui aussi. Ah, j'adore. Lui, il écrit vraiment. Never everybody knows what. No, oh jeez. Oh, me too. Coffee. Kinda looks spooky, kinda looks mysterious, kinda looks like fun stuff. Oh, you said no to me. Fuck! Chacun te gueulait pas. That was the most Leo thing ever. No, that's not true. No, that's not. But I will. Would have been such a great life. Aïe. You're so dramatic. Allez, mets-le jusqu'à ce que
You're hot.
I'm hot.
Attendez, chocolate! I want you to live!
No! I'm traumatized!
Live, don't beg!
Je m'en remettrai jamais.
I'm 27. Well, I think I am right now because I was born at 10:30. It's not 10 right now. My mom is very specific about it. Lulu! Oh, my baby. My little baby. Come on. What? Oh my god, he's so cute, you guys. Tu viens? Un bisou? Oh là là, les fatigués. It's funny because when I turned 26, didn't really love it. I think it was just the number 26 that I wasn't really into. But now 27, I'm kind of fine with it. I think when I turned 25 and 26, there was this kind of expectation of what I should have achieved by that age, and regarding what I thought I would have achieved when I was younger, as in when I was, oh, I don't know, like 14, 15, I really thought that I would have a kid by 25 because my parents had me when they were 25. They had just turned 25, and so I think it was just like expectations, and so I was like, oh my god, I haven't achieved as much as I thought I would. And then last year, same, I was like, oh my god, this is the start of the end of my 20s and I am nowhere and I don't know what to do. I even had a burnout in like September, October, but regarding like my dad's health and everything, like the consequences of everything, I haven't really shared that very much. So I think when I turned like 25 and 26, I really didn't know what my life was going to turn into, because you could not really plan what's going to happen when someone in your life has cancer. And so I think I really didn't know if I could achieve as much as I wanted to by a certain age. And then last year I just realized, who cares? I'm on my own timeline. I'll do whatever I want by whatever age, whenever I feel ready. I need to work on myself and I just really don't care, which I think is why I just turned 27 and I'm fine. I'm so grateful to be 27 and to be somewhat healthy, you know, that my family is better, and just for everything that's happening, because the 2 years were incredibly difficult. I would say even 3 years, to be honest, but they've taught me so much about myself. They've helped me grow and understand what's important and how to take care of myself to be happier and to make other people happier. And yeah, my sister is actually working this morning. She was not supposed to work this morning, just this afternoon, and they asked her to come in on Friday. So she was very sad. So I woke up early and opened a few of my presents this morning, and now I'm gonna leave you because my dad is mowing the lawn. few days later, I wanted to share with you the things that my family got me for my birthday because I thought that they had done such an amazing job. So the first two things are jewelry. This ring from Etsy, which is so pretty. I love it so much. It's so nice, the two together. I think they go so well together. And the other thing that she got me is this necklace, which is a Leo necklace. So you have a lion on there and you have the sign here with Lion, which means Leo. Then, well, I should show that first because it's holding everything. She knows that I love a good tote bag. She also knows that the one that I have is not as large as I would need it to be, and so she got me a larger one. So she got me this, but it's actually a friend's tote bag. And you have every quote on it. I love it. It's so beautiful, and I was like looking at every little picture on there and it's just so nice. So in there we have a lot of things. This gorgeous number, I love myself a v-neck. I think that's what suits me best because I have broader shoulders, and it's in a yellow with a little pattern that's really nice. It's not too long. I also love the sleeves. I think that's really, really cute. Also, I'm not the biggest fan of my arms, so that's perfection. Next, she got me a few more crystals because my sister and I are really into crystals. I mean, she's on another level. You cannot imagine. But I have, I think, 6 or 7, and she got me 3 others. If you want me to show them to you, I can do maybe a TikTok or a reel, or I'll show them to you in another video. But if you're not really that into it, I'm not gonna go into that. But basically, like, crystals have a certain energy and can help you for different situations, like for confidence or negative energy, and help you get rid of that. And I'm so happy. One is so tiny, it's so cute. Then I saw the box and I was like, what's that? And I opened it. You guys, this is a Taylor Swift mug from like her beginning days. I think it was like her first photo shoot, and you've got all of her on there in like the country like kind of style of it. Look how beautiful. I'm a very big Taylor Swift fan. I love it so much. And that's funny because I told my sister at the beginning of the week, last week, my boyfriend told me no more mugs because there's nowhere we can fit everything in that cupboard, and then she got me this. But you know what? That's Taylor Swift. Like, there's always a place for Taylor Swift in my cupboard and in my house, for sure. The other thing that I wanted were books because I love books. They delivered. There's, I think, another one coming. Yeah, I think there's another one coming. The thing that I really want to work on from now on is really self-development. I think there's a lot that I've learned through TikToks, through YouTube videos and stuff like that, but I really want to like start reading more about the subject. There are a lot of books that were recommended. I love Jen M on YouTube, and she is a big reader. She's very into self-development and everything, and she recommended a few ones, and this one was one of them, which is Good Vibes, Good Life, How Self-Worth is Key to Unlocking Your Greatness by Vex King. And so I asked for this one right away because it's gonna be amazing. One of my favorite types of books, if you know me, is a good thriller. I love to get lost in a book and have to read the next page. I had Love Gone Girl, but for some reason I never read anything else from her. I love the story of this one. The 2 other ones I didn't ask for, but my family knows me so well. They know exactly what I like because usually my mom and I will share books. I will read one and then she'll read it after. This one I had heard about. It's The Perfect Marriage by Geneva Rose, and I'm very excited to read this. It sounds like something I love. 7 days, 3 families, 1 killer. So that sounds like right up my alley. Also love the cover. That's everything I got. I really hope you enjoyed this little vlog. I didn't film too much of my birthday just because that's a day that I like to spend with my family, and I think it's important to really cherish those moments and not to shove a camera in, well, my face or my sister's face, because I don't show my parents or my boyfriend actually. But yeah, I just like wanted a few snippets of my birthday, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you'll stick around. Bye.